I don't know where to start. It's a 97 coupe, H22. Had the car for 23 years. Mondo has always been my go-to guy. He's the only one I trusted to work on my car. Straight H, stock stroke, stock bore, OEM crank, 8 2600cc injectors, precision 6785. Now she's making a little bit more than 1,000 horsepower at 28% duty cycle, and turn it up at the track and see what she's got. So far the car's been an 8.4 at 188. That's been my best timer. We're hoping for a low 8, maybe a high 7 on this setup that we got going on right now. Changes this year is mechanical fuel pump, BZE head, my buddy Wes Spry ported head on the car, fuel cell and battery location, moved the catch can to the rear of the car.
Lexan glass all around.
Yeah, put out Lexan on the back.
Trans was refreshed. The bottom end was refreshed this year too as well. Everything's got basically dyno miles, which is about maybe 10. It needs to be taken all the way out to Maryland and see what it does.
Test and tune is going to be at H-Day this year. Maryland and MIR off the trailer, just going to send it.
Car was rescaled, alignment was redone to spec. Pretty good. We'll see what it does at a Honda Day. Lost traction on top. The hook too small?
Not probably.
You probably zeroed that out anyways. Okay, yeah, it's gotta be. It's a lot hotter than that. It looks like a water temp sensor to me. I told them, I was like, this looks like a water temp sensor. They're like, no, you got the right one. So yeah, I sent them a picture. There's no holes in the thing. And it's like, dude, it doesn't look like it looks like a water temp, but I mean, it serves its purpose. There's no boost leak, so there you go. Oh my God. Yeah.
You know, I can't even add up how much I have in this car. I have 23 years into this car, and the most memorable thing is that I have $23,000 in tickets on this car and attorney fees from when I used to street drive this thing. But I just quit keeping track after that.
Your sensor, dude.
What?
Yeah, look.
Your oil pressure sensor's leaking.
Sweet.
That oil's green. Fuck, you can see it like it is.
What is?
What oil is this?
Brad pen.
That's not oil pressure sensor, that's water.
Or coolant.
Oh,
Wait, no. It can't be. Why is it on there now?
let me see that right
It
now.
might be leaking out of the fucking pump, dude.
Oh, that's
No,
oil.
I mean, there's water in the cooling system. Oh, wait a minute.
The seal, no? It's the cam seal.
Yeah, it's coming from there. I see oil on here.
It's the cam
Yeah.
seal leaking.
I probably wouldn't worry about it because I took the pump off.
Yeah.
And then we did crank the motor over. So you know how when you pull a dizzy out?
Yeah, no, I know. I saw it. It's that oil stands out. Yeah. That shit's green. That's what she's gonna get a picture of.
Jason Hunt, the remote tuner, is doing the air, fuel, and ignition. He's trying to see what the car likes, what the car doesn't like, and he's just trying to get a happy median of power and make sure the car is safe. So more or less, car of this caliber, when you put this thing on the dyno, you're not really looking for a number. You're just looking to make sure everything's working properly. Obviously, there was a new fuel system put in the car this year, so you want to make sure that fuel system is working properly. The engine was freshly rebuilt, so once you verify that everything's working properly, all the sensors read, everything reads right, then you take it to the track, and then at that point you dial in all your traction and all your power management stuff at that point. But usually a car like this, everything goes pretty smooth, and we're done in maybe 2 or 3 partial pulls, and then we do maybe 2 or 3 full pulls at a fairly low boost level, and then at that point, at the track you turn it up. So 1,000 horsepower you see on the dyno, I'm sure this thing makes another 200-300 more. So. Yeah, push it in there.
I think you're gonna pop that door off. I lost momentum. Hold on.
I'm trying to get out of the way.
Get out of the way. It's heavy as damn dude.
Nice and easy. Start slow, start slow.
It rolls so good, dude.
Clear it up with the winch.
Which I think that'll.
I gotta steer it right a little bit, or left a little bit. Watch that side.